things are going to get juicier than ever before. On the regulatory front, we will talk more. There is a body that is now making a lot of threats to Cardano, and they may just experience what Ripple did in the last few months. But wait, there's more. I'll go over a series of tweets that support my thoughts, which should give you a better image of what's going on in the crypto realm. So, without further ado, how about we get started? Hello, gentlemen. Welcome to XRP Hut, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive notifications anytime we post a new video. Welcome back, XRP family. Keep in mind, if you found this video interesting, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the space below. So, what is going on in the crypto world today? And why is the SEC threatening all cryptocurrencies? If you've been watching my videos in the past, you'll know that a lot of the current hypotheses have a lot to do with the Ethereum and XRP. This is due to the fact that the majority of the talks between ETH and SEC have occurred behind closed doors. And Ethereum was given a pass by the regulatory agency. They also went after XRP, ETH's main competitor. To be honest, this shows that the SEC is working to safeguard ETH in some way. Then what I'm about to say next should come as no surprise. Cardano will be delisted by the end of 2021, according to eToro, a very prominent exchange in the crypto market. According to an article published on finance.yahoo.com, which was also featured on eToro's website. According to the firm, U.S. citizens will be restricted from opening new positions or stakes in this cryptocurrency. This unexpected move precipitated a decline. This coin's market cap has likewise decreased. But if you've been following what's been going on with XRP, you're no new to these kinds of maneuvers. It just so happens that the SEC is obligated to defend ETH at all costs, as this case demonstrates. It even more. That's because, as we all know, ADA has been heralded as the alleged ETH killer. It's only logical for them to go after Cardano. So, do you believe the regulatory authority will go after Cardano? I do. We now have the Congress calling out the majority of cryptocurrency CEOs, as well as this run of tweets. Ron Hammond sums it very perfectly. The Congress will interrogate CEOs of large cryptos, exchanges, stablecoin producers, and payment providers. And it just means Ripple will be in the spotlight as well. Because no one saw what happened with Cardano, this week is set to get heated. Several crypto CEOs will testify in front of Congress on December 8th. So, the crypto industry is set to see a shitshow, and I don't think it will be easy for any crypto investment. More importantly, the Congress has reservations about DeFi. Twitter is another option. The Congress appears to have discovered that Twitter is the best place to learn about cryptography. Another subject is usage cases. The Congress is now concentrating on how these cryptos will benefit society. But don't get me wrong. There are a number of crypto fans in Washington, D.C. However, what if there is a major conflict of interest? The hearing is scheduled to be a full hearing, so we anticipate a wide range of specialists, all questioning the crypto world. So put it in your calendar. The 8th of December will be a wild day for any day trader or futures trader, especially any day trader. I'll also keep you guys updated on what's going on and if there's anything that should concern the crypto community, specifically the XRP team. We all know that the lawsuit against XRP was not just to attack the crypto, but also to defend ETH. Which brings us to today's question. Is the SEC protecting the crypto world or simply ETH? And will this alter anytime soon? We've complained about the regulatory body's unfairness, particularly when it comes to other cryptos that aren't ETH. And now, the next greatest competitor to ETH may be targeted by the same regulatory agency. Isn't there a pattern developing here? The SEC court case was not a planned event from the outset. That is why the regulatory framework exists. My body continues requesting more time. And, if you've been following the case since its inception, or if you've subscribed to my channel, you'll agree with me that the regulatory body just lacks proof to back up their assertion. As a result, rather than giving up and settling with Ripple, they will prefer postpone the case for as long as possible by filing for extra time. That does not make Ripple make sense, and they are continually causing Ripple harm. Fortunately, because of ripples worldwide, this firm can continue to operate even if no one is trading the coin in the United States. In fact, XRP is considerably more popular outside of the United States. They are making more money from international crypto traders than from merchants in their own country. What makes you think that? It's as obvious as day that the SEC is in some whale's back pocket. That is why they continue to promote ETH and why their actions do not appear reasonable. The whale has a significant stake in ETH or is hoping to profit from XRP after the court issue is resolved. In any case, I predict the SEC will run out of justifications and will be unable to keep XRP under control for long. So, let's have a look at the graphs. In this case, I took the previous fractal from January 2017 to January 2018, and superimposed it over the current pattern, which began in early April 2021. XRP has retested a significant horizontal support level and made a strong comeback. I am optimistic about the pair. So, whenever we observe a breakout of the local falling resistance, it will be time to purchase. Strong increase is anticipated. I'm not saying it'll go to $30, but this pattern has been accumulating and becoming quite monotonous while other sectors of the market are thriving. When people's patience runs out and other things are exciting, they will, in my opinion, sell their XRP at the worst possible time. Since 2011, Bitcoin as a market has shown a succession of parabolic increases on a log scale. The recent retracement has kept the price above the current parabolic advance depiction. Because of the COVID crash in 2020, this representation is a little more difficult than prior parabolas. If, on the other hand, the chart is examined on a weekly closing price chart, the parabolic curve beginning at the low in December 2018 works well. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered financial advisor. All videos on this channel are just for entertainment purposes. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Disable notifications. Please get notified every time we publish new outstanding stuff. We'll see you in the following video.